Entering a business needs preparation in terms of attitude, in terms of resources. Kailangan din prepared ka, no? Pwede ka magsimula ng maliit. You can start with almost nothing. But the preparation is in terms of your understanding and knowledge, no? Therefore, we have organized this Kapeyaman community. And our first meetup will be on March 9, Saturday, 10 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. in Club Filipino Green Hills. Be there because we're gonna talk about these things, no? Let's say you start a business with very little money, or you start a business with borrowings, no? You know what? When you do that, you have to be sure that makikita ng customers mo yung confidence mo. Kasi kung nakikita nila na ikaw ang may kailangan sa kanila, kasi hard up ka, kasi kailangan mong bayaran yung utang mo, mararamdaman nila yon na ikaw ang may kailangan sa kanila, imbis na sila ang may kailangan sa iyo. So, there is the kind of preparation na kinakailangan mong gawin. Understanding the kind of approach that you must have towards selling or towards putting up your business. Hindi pwedeng inutang mo, naghahabol ka sa pera, therefore kailangan bumili yung customer mo. Hindi pwedeng ganon. And therefore, it needs a lot of preparation. So join us in this first meetup, Kapeyaman Nation Community.